viewers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go. We got another gaming chair courtesy of VERTAGEAR. This is a P-line PL4800. So click that link, see what other chairs they have, different styles, different colors. And we're going to open this up, see what it looks like. And at the end, it'll be put together. I won't show that part because, I mean, it's pretty simple. I'll just explain it at the end. We'll be right back. Here we go. We got it open up. Here's the bottom that you put the wheels on. We got some more stuff here. Great packaging job. Ooh, this is nice. Let me get that out of the way. Look at this style. It's like a burgundy. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you guys on pause. Alright, so here's the rest of what's on the bottom of the box once you get everything out. This thing is heavy, so you might want to get some help with this one. But, you know, it's not that bad. But it weighed the box down pretty good. You get the wheels in there and the tools you need. You get the pillow, the backside, the base, and the cushion. So, next stop, it's going to be put together. Like I said, all you got to do is put the wheels on there first, and then flip that over. Then you're going to want to put the pump in the middle, connect that to the chair part, and then line it up with that guy, and you have it all set. But I'll show you at the end. Be right back. Alrighty guys, here it is all set up. Really nice. We got there, VERTAGEAR. And you can push the button. Oops.